Welcome student. Today we are going to see the effect of dilution on conductivity, that is variation of specific equivalent and molecular conductivity on dilution. Means if we have solution and we measure the equivalent specific and molecular conductance of that solution progressively on diluting the corresponding solution, then what happens on the value of specific equivalent and molecular conductivity of that electrolyte, that we have to see today. मतलब अपने पास में कोई भी इलेक्ट्रोलाइट का सॉल्यूशन है और वो इलेक्ट्रोलाइट का सॉल्यूशन अपन डाइल्यूट करते जाएंगे और उसकी स्पेसिफिक इक्विवेलेंट एंड मॉलिक्यूलर कंडक्टिविटी पे क्या इफेक्ट होगा, ये चीज आज अपने को स्टडी करना है. सबसे पहले वी नो दैट द डाइल्यूशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोलाइट, द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोलाइट conducts the electricity due to presence of ions. Means we know that if we have any electrolytic solution, then that solution conduct the electricity, but this conduction of electricity is due to the presence of ions in that particular electrolytic solution. Okay, now again we know that what is mean by specific conductance. We know previously we studied specific conductance is a conductance of 1 ml solution of an electrolyte, that is 1 cc, cubic centimeter means cc. 1 cc of that electrolytic solution conducts the conductivity of that solution is called as specific conductivity. And since 1 ml solution means a cube is taken whose height is 1 centimeter, length breadth is 1 centimeter, and in such a cube if we take the solution, the volume of that solution becomes 1 cubic centimeter, that is 1 ml. And if we conduct the specific conductance of such a 1 ml solution, then it will be observed that in 1 ml on dilution the number of ions in 1 ml solution will be decreases. That's why on dilution the specific conductance goes on decrease, means there is inversely proportionality relationship between the dilution and the specific conductance. As dilution increases, the number of ions in 1 ml solution decreases. That's why the specific conductance decreases. On the other hand, in case of equivalent conductance and molecular conductance, as the solution is diluted, then equivalent and molecular both conductivity goes on increase. Now see example. If we take the example of a KCl solution, we prepared various solutions of this KCl solution. This is 1, this is 0.1, this is 0.01. Means in these three cases, what is there? It is the concentration of solution per kg equivalent per dm cube. Kg equivalent per dm cube. Means from top to bottom, what happens? The concentration goes on decrease. Concentration decreases because the dilution increases. Means from this 1 to 0.01, what happens? Dilution is going to be increases, means the concentration decreases. And this is the value of measured specific conductance. Now if we see these values from top to bottom, here the concentration decreases, that is dilution increases, and what happens? Specific conductance? Specific conductance goes on decrease. See, from top to bottom specific conductance goes on decrease. It is clear now. Now see our point. What is the effect on equivalent and molecular conductivity? You know, from top to bottom here concentration goes on decrease, means the dilution goes on increase. The equivalent conductance goes on increase. Now similarly in case of molecular conductance, again molecular conductance increases from 1 to 0.01 concentration. And if we take the examples of strong and weak electrolyte, if we take example of KCl, this is strong electrolyte, NaCl, this is again a strong electrolyte, HCl, again this is a strong electrolyte. If we take the examples of strong electrolytes and we measure the equivalent conductance of these strong electrolytes, then on dilution no doubt there will be increase, but this limiting value, this increase is very small as compared to the weak electrolytes. If we take example of weak electrolyte, you know acetic acid is a weak electrolyte, CH3COOH, this is acetic acid. Then ammonium hydroxide, this is also weak base, that's why weak electrolyte. For these weak electrolytes, what happens? As the dilution increases, the equivalent conductance goes on increase. Here in strong electrolyte it increases, but it increases, how it increases? There is a small increase, and this limiting value in case of the strong electrolyte is known as equivalent conductivity at infinite dilution. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? इक्विवेलेंट कंडक्टिविटी एट इनफाइनाइट डाइल्यूशन. On the other hand, in case of weak electrolytes, what happens? The conductivity continues to increase with a dilution for all the practical values of dilution, and the maximum is reached when the solution is infinite. For electrolyte, the maximum increase will be when the solution is infinite. But here in strong electrolyte, what happens? This increase is little one on dilution, but here continuous up to the infinite dilution for weak electrolyte. Now here, as in case of weak electrolyte, there is no indication that limiting value can be attained even when the concentration approaches to zero. Means on dilution of weak electrolyte, the concentration goes on decrease and the equivalent conductance goes on increase, but increase till the end means up to the zero concentration. What happens? There is no indication that the limiting value can be attained even when the concentration approaches to zero for weak electrolyte. This is very important. So far as the strong and weak electrolytes are concerned, the equivalent conductance in both cases increases on dilution, but the limiting value for weak electrolyte, the concentration approaches to zero. What happens there? There can be attained, there is no indication of the limiting value. But in case of the strong electrolyte, as we dilute the solution, there will be increase in the equivalent conductance. Okay, up to, and the maximum value will be attained. This is called as equivalent conductance as infinite dilution. Again increase, there is increase, again increase in the dilution, there is increase in the equivalent conductance, but by its small value. Okay, here 1 1 2, here 1 2 2, later on it may be 1 2 4. Okay, but in case of the weak electrolyte, what happens? There is no indication of the limiting value. Here there is indication of the limiting value. Okay, now this is nothing but the effect of dilution on conductivity. Or question may be asked as, explain the effect of dilution on equivalent molecular and specific conductance. Only you must know in one sentence, but it can be explained in this tabular manner or in this way. You must know 3 points. First point, the space on dilution, the specific conductance decreases because the number of ions in 1 ml solution decreases. Okay, and on dilution, equivalent and molecular conductance increases. But you must know what happens in strong electrolyte and weak electrolyte. there is no particular indication of limiting value in weak electrolyte. Okay.